Welcome to another video. Office suites remain indispensable for day-to-day work on a PC or laptop. Whether we are talking about full desktop applications or online suites, they are essential for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Yet sometimes users run into workflow issues. In this video, we'll highlight a feature offered by one Office suite, a feature that, in my opinion, every Office suite should have. Stay tuned. Let's face it, when it comes to Office suites, Microsoft 365 is still the industry standard. For many people, it's practically synonymous with Office software in general, and its file formats and fonts are widely used and often required. This video isn't a review of Microsoft 365, nor is it an attempt to explore all of its features. However, one thing may annoy some users working with multiple documents at once. If you open several files, switching between them requires more than a single click. And if you have other applications open as well, moving quickly between a specific document and another application can become surprisingly awkward. Let's see what the competition does. First, let's look at LibreOffice. Why? Because it's the Office suite many Linux distributions ship with by default, and it's a feature-rich Office suite in its own right. Again, this video isn't about comparing LibreOffice with Microsoft 365. However, when it comes to working with multiple documents, LibreOffice presents a similar challenge. Switching between several documents and other open applications requires more than a simple click, and your selections often need to be fairly precise if you want to reach a particular document quickly. So, in many ways, it's a similar workflow issue. Interestingly enough, other Office suites available on Linux run into the same problem. Here we are looking at FreeOffice. It looks and behaves very much like Microsoft Office. Some users avoid it because, although it's free, it's not open source software. However, opening multiple documents still creates the same navigation challenge. Of course, you can use Alt plus Tab, as you could in the previous examples as well. But again, it isn't the most straightforward way to move between multiple open documents. This brings us to the Office suite that handles the issue particularly well. It's OnlyOffice. Now, this video isn't about OnlyOffice's overall feature set, licensing, or any debates surrounding the project. It's about one thing that OnlyOffice does exceptionally well: opening multiple documents in tabs. Yes, you heard that right. OnlyOffice allows you to open multiple files within a single window using tabs. That means switching between the Office suite and another application remains quick and simple, while moving between documents inside OnlyOffice feels much more natural and efficient. Honestly, it's surprising that tabbed documents aren't more common in Office suites. Can you imagine using a modern web browser without tabs? The concept isn't new. Tabs have been helping people organize their workflows for decades, and they make navigating multiple documents faster and easier. Perhaps other Office suites should take a closer look at what OnlyOffice is doing here and introduce a similar feature. Have you used more than one Office suite? Do you find tabbed documents useful? Let me know in the comments. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you'd like to support the channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!